If you want to merge two vertices, you select, hold down Shift, say merge vertices center, for example, or just merge and you can adjust the distance. Let me just select everything else, say merge vertices, and adjust distance. And that's how you would merge. If you want to target weld in Maya, you go up here and choose target weld, and then you just drag vertices on top of each other. It will work. This is your target weld tool. To merge verts, you just select your verts, then go up here to weld, and you adjust the threshold for the distance to be welded by. Or if you want to target weld, press target weld and drag from one vert to the other. To merge vertices in Blender, you select the vertices, press M for merge, and of course the default one is by distance. So you just add the distance here and they will be merged. To target weld in Blender, you have a few options. So one option is to select some verts in order and press M and either choose at first or at last. So my favorite is choosing at last. So if I choose this and I repeat the process, I can just target weld any selection I did before. So again, choose the first one, choose the last one, press M, select at last or at first. I'll select at first this time, and now I want this to go here. So I select this first, select this again, and repeat. So Shift R, just repeat. This is a way to target weld. Another way to target weld in Blender is to turn on this auto merge vertices function and the snap to vertex. I always choose to active and turn snapping on. And now if I drag my vert like this, it will automatically weld these vertices on top of each other. If I hold down Control, it merges. There are other merge features like collapse. If I press M, I can collapse. So to collapse in Blender, you select any amount of elements or type of elements, press M and say collapse, and it will collapse like this. Or if you want to merge at center, same thing. If I select these two verts and say M, merge at center, they will collapse equally like this. But it's not, of course, not the same as collapse. And I also have the merge at cursor option. So if I say merge at cursor, it will merge at the position of my cursor like this. In case you want to use your cursor as reference, like moving it here, cursor selected, press Shift S, cursor to selected, and then say merge these three at cursor. And then I can actually move them because this wasn't selected and say at cursor or at last in this case, which is the same thing. To collapse any element in Max, you just select the things you want to collapse and just click collapse. It works for edges too, and for faces as well. To collapse edges or faces or anything selected in Maya, you have to go up here and say collapse.